This is our very first hands-on look at the upcoming Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 and it's looking absolutely beautiful. The image was leaked on Chinese social media and as you can see it shows the full rear design of the phone. Okay, so what's the first thing to notice here? It is that the Mix Fold 3 will be equipped with a quad camera unit, making it the first phone to come with a quad camera system in the foldable segment. The image also suggests that it could be equipped with a leather back which looks really good and might feel nice to touch as well. As you can see, there's a protruding rectangular camera unit on the phone's back featuring 4 cameras on the left side and the Leica branding, along with a pill-shaped unit housing an LED flash on the right. What is special is that some reports claim that the Mix Fold 3 will have the same quad camera unit as available on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, so you can use it for some spying like zooming on this device. However, make sure not to spy on anyone if you get this device. The phone could be equipped with an OIS-enabled 1-inch Sony IMX989 50MP main camera. There will be a 50MP Sony IMX851 ultra-wide lens, a 50MP telephoto camera with OIS and 3.2x optical zoom, and there will also be a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with OIS and 5x optical zoom. However, there are some contradictory reports that claim that the device will have a Sony IMX800 50MP main camera and not an IMX989. Hence, it is advisable to wait for more reports to know more about its camera configurations. Recently, we have also seen a retail box of the Mix Fold 3 and some renders. The renders don't reveal a lot but just show a large display of the device. It has a slight curvature on the right hand side of the screen and a centered punch hole cut out for the front facing camera. Now let's talk about some specs. The cover screen of the Mix Fold 3 could be of 6.56 inches featuring an AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The main display on the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 could be an 8.02-inch foldable AMOLED with QHD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. When it comes to the internals, the phone is expected to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It is already confirmed that it will come with a 4800 mAh battery supporting 67W fast charging and 50W wireless charging as per the 3C certification. Stay tuned with us as we will be covering the Mix Fold 3 very comprehensively and will update you with everything we have on the future. For now, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more content like this, and as always, we will see you in the next one.